Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now you need to type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Get Started, tap OK, and click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. After that, you need to click on OK again, and choose Input Options. Select LED keyboard one more time, and tap on one of the options. When you're done, click Agree, and pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so now I have to click on it, close the nut, and tap on Get Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!